This is Kennedy Launch Control, T-minus 5 minutes, 55 seconds and counting. We're still go. We're about to come up with some status checks now to determine the final status. In the meantime, the lunar module test conductor, Fritz Weideck, has come in over the circuit and informed the spacecraft commander, Dave Scott, that lunar module Falcon and the rover are go. Dave Scott thanked him for this, and then also received a report from spacecraft test conductor Skip Chauvin that the command ship, which will have the call sign Endeavour, also is go. We've just completed our status reports, and the launch operations manager, Paul Donnelly, the launch director, Walt Caprian, and the mission director, Chet Lee, all have given their goes. We're standing by for the swing arm to retract to its full fallback position. It's moving now as we approach the 5-minute mark in the count. Coming up on the 5-minute mark. Mark, T-minus 5 minutes and counting. We're go on Apollo 15. This is Kennedy Launch Control. This is Kennedy Launch Control. We've just passed the 3-minute, 30-second mark in the count. The terminal sequencer has been armed, and we are go. Launch operations manager Paul Donnelly just wished the crew good luck and Godspeed, and received an expression of thanks from all 3 crew members. We'll be coming up shortly on the automatic sequence. 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Firing command enable. Firing command on. We have the firing command. We're now on the automatic sequence, and the tanks in the 3 stages of the Saturn V that contain those propellants will begin to pressurize. The countdown is still proceeding, and we're at now 2 minutes, 50 seconds and counting. We understand there's an estimate that there are more than 1 million people in the area here to view the launch. The traffic has been heavy since 2 o'clock this morning. The beaches are packed and the roads are packed. 2 minutes, 35 seconds and counting. We're monitoring our status board here in firing room 1. Our ready lights are on, concerned with spacecraft, emergency detection system, instrument unit. Our preparations are complete, and the automatic sequence is continuing. 2 minutes, 20 seconds and counting. We now have 2nd stage liquid oxygen and 3rd stage liquid oxygen supplies pressurized as the countdown continues. Coming up on the 2-minute mark, we'll be standing by for the cue ball cover to be retracted shortly atop the Saturn V vehicle. Mark, T-minus 2 minutes and counting, still going well. Propellant stable on board the vehicle. The crew here in the firing room monitoring more than 300 red line values, watching temperatures and pressures to ensure they do not go above nominal. In the case that it did, any one of these key people could call in to hold the countdown. 1 minute, 36 seconds and counting, still going well. The pressurization sequence is still continuing in the vehicle. We're now 90 seconds away from liftoff, all still going well. We'll go on internal power with the vehicle at the 50-second mark in the count. We now get indications from our status board that all is still going well, and the 3rd stage is now completely pressurized. Coming up shortly on the 1-minute mark, we're now 70 seconds and counting. 2nd stage tanks are pressurized as our countdown continues. Mark, T-minus 60 seconds and counting on Apollo 15. The astronauts are go, launch vehicle and spacecraft components all go as our countdown proceeds. Now 50 seconds, we have the power transfer. The vehicle now on the battery power on the vehicle, and all is still going well. Lunar Module pilot Jim Irwin making some final checks, now passing the 40-second mark. Spacecraft Commander Dave Scott now has made his final check. That is aligning the guidance system. 30 seconds and counting. The guidance system will go internal at the 17-second mark. Now 25 seconds. We have complete clearance to launch. We are go. 20. 15 seconds, guidance internal, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, ignition sequence start, engines armed, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, all engines running, launch commit, liftoff, we have liftoff at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tower is clear.
And we have a roll program. Roger. You have good thrust on all 5 engines. Thanks, Gordo. Roll complete. Roger. And we have a pitch program. Roger. Stand by for mode 1 Bravo. Mark 1 Bravo. Roger, 1 Bravo.
Booster Systems engineer reports to flight director that S1C stage looking good.
Houston, everything looks perfect down here. Okay, looks smooth up here, Gordo.
Maximum dynamic pressure at this time.
Charlie. Mark.
Each of the S1Cs.
Roger.
Each of the 5 S1C engines gulping 3 tons of fuel per second.
Inboard. Roger, inboard.
Flight Dynamics reports go for staging.
Which stage? Roger. Fifteen Houston, you have good thrust on the S2. All 5 are good. Okay.
.73 miles downrange, 47.9 altitude.
747. Roger. Fire jet. Roger, we confirm the skirt set. You're mode 2. Roger, mode 2. Guidance initiate. Roger.
Coming up on 10,000 feet per second mark, downrange 131, altitude 66.
15 Houston at 4. The guidance has converged. The CMC is go. Everything looks good.
Okay, go. Let's get up here.
Now at 35% of the velocity needed to orbit. Downrange 190 miles, altitude 79.
Houston, 5 minutes. Everything looks nominal. Your go.
Okay, good. Thank you. Let's get up here.
40% of velocity needed.
Roger.